How to add music to Instagram story from Spotify. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add music to Instagram story from Spotify. First, open the Spotify app on your mobile device. Here, play a song of your choice. Then tap on this arrow icon on your bottom right corner. Then tap on Edit from your top right corner. After that, select the color of the background. Hit the Done button to continue. Now select the option of Instagram story from the given options. You'll be redirected to your Instagram account. Tap on this arrow to continue posting your story. Tap on Share. Once it is uploaded, play your story. Tap on Play on Spotify, then select Open Spotify. So this is how you can add music to Instagram story from Spotify. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.